Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, struggling to find peace in the chaos of everyday life? You're not alone. Stay with us as we explore the most effective natural remedies to soothe your mind and calm your spirit. First up, let's talk about deep breathing exercises. This simple yet powerful technique can help you manage anxiety by calming your nervous system. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Try it now and feel the difference. Have you tried deep breathing exercises before? Share your experience in the comments below. Next, we have herbal teas. Chamomile, lavender, and valerian root are some of the best teas to ease anxiety. They have natural calming properties that help reduce stress and promote relaxation. What's your favorite herbal tea? Let us know in the comments. Exercise isn't just good for your body. It's great for your mind too. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Whether it's a brisk walk, a jog, or a yoga session, moving your body can significantly reduce anxiety. How do you like to stay active? Drop your favorite exercise routine in the comments. Aromatherapy is another fantastic remedy. Essential oils like lavender, bergamot, and frankincense have been used for centuries to alleviate anxiety. Use a diffuser, add a few drops to your bath, or simply inhale the scent directly. What's your go-to essential oil for relaxation? Share with us below. Mindfulness and meditation can transform your mental state. By focusing on the present moment and practicing mindful breathing, you can reduce anxiety and improve your overall well-being. Give it a try for just a few minutes each day. Do you meditate regularly? We'd love to hear about your practice in the comments. Remember, managing anxiety is a journey, and these natural remedies can make a big difference. Give them a try and let us know which ones work best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others find peace too. Stay tuned for our next post, where we'll dive into how you can boost your immunity with natural herbs. Thanks for watching.